What's up, folks? Nice morning update. OPEX, November 15th. Overnight range 74 to 30. Decent range. This 70, obviously 72, 74 is going to be important, as is this basically 63, 67, 65, 67. Ideally, I want it back above that to get back up. Again, down this morning. Retail sales came out. They weren't great. We're hovering in the 40s here. Below this 51 is fairly bearish. I'd like to see it pop above that. I'm honestly surprised we haven't rallied back up to pin the AM SPX 5950 options. We will see if they do that, but right now it doesn't look like they will, which maybe means they're going to pin the 5900, which would be interesting. Anyway, above that, then we get into all this traffic, but basically, we'll go over the levels up on the hourly, but this 810 area needs to be breached, and we need to get back up above. But to me, this is kind of stalled out and heading back down. Again, this could just be a bull flag, and we're going to pop back up. 50 is your S1. We've dipped below that. We're trying to get back above it. We consolidated a bit in this 57.62 zone. Here's a 69.72. That's kind of what I want to see it back over. And then we have my magic green line, which we are well under now. So this 86, 88 level, and then basically your 98, 5600. Excuse me, 6000. Below that, 26 S2 should be a good halt. But we're looking at pretty much a thin market down back into 70, 57, 60s. 89 S3, this is a decent level as well if we get down there. The 11.9 is also a good level, but I would suspect they close, this 26 level, 23, 26, 21, 26 at 5. They cut short here, so I would look for that. Here's your daily. Again, are we going to go down this way, or are we just going to go pop up? Is this recovery, So again, we've just kind of been bouncing. So I'm not saying, end of the world, but 57.63 would be your next big volume node, followed by basically 5700. And then you have that another one at 55.95. So just something to keep in mind. Here's your monthly TPO locked in. So you've had kind of a distribution up here, which would be a P shape. We have had some here, but we have nothing here until back down here at basically 57.50. It aligns with this node as well. But 58, 60, 65 area is basically your POC for last month. So I would also look at that as a target. Here's your weekly holding this line. So again, is this a new trend line? And as I've said before, we can drop down all the way here and still be in an upward trend. Let's check out SPX. XPX, we chewed into this cash gap yesterday, did not finish it. If we open up here down 35, we're going to have another double cash gap, kind of like we have here, which seems to be a new theme. So then that will be obviously a target. This cash gap starts at 58.64. That's definitely what I would be watching. And then 58.59 is your 50-day moving average. So maybe they dip into it, tap the 50 and reverse it. I don't know. Or they just hike it up now. We're starting to go back up a little bit. Here's your euro. Again, double top, if you will. Came back, parked, dropped down. They stuck the 5. So far they're defending it. Again, I said if we lose that 4-5 level, I think it's going to get real interesting. So I would assume that we could see a reversal in this. It could go up to the 777 level and still, kind of still be in a bearish trend. Anyway, that's about it. Friday OPEX. I don't know. 5900 or 5950 would be my OPEX AM option. idea, but we will see where they take this today. The last few OPECs have been duds for some reason. I'm not sure that this one will be, but we will see. Anyway, I will be in the room.